Temu Drone Review Sinhala looks tempting, but I would not treat the main Temu photo as proof by itself. This keyword has a strong bias signal, so the important part is filtering hype from real proof. For this trust comparison item, I would check 3 things before buying. First, whether the listing shows the real size and material. Second, whether buyer photos match the promise. And third, whether low-star reviews repeat the same complaint. The first red flag is that the main image is not enough. Buyer photos and review patterns matter. The second one is that low price only matters if the listing proves size, material, and reliability. If those show up more than once, the low price stops being the main point. The clean buyer test is this. If the review photos prove the exact use case, it can still be interesting. If the listing only has polished images and vague claims, I would wait or compare it against an Amazon listing with clearer reviews. My verdict is better than expected, but only after checking real buyer photos first. Based on the listing and review signals, not a hands-on test, I would only buy it if the product page clears those checks. Comment the next Temu product you want checked, and I will run the same buyer research filter before you waste money on it.